All right, guys, we're back on the 5.8 Windsor. This is a 1992 F150. I showed you in the other video just a quick location, but that's for the thermostat right there. So real quickly, I'm going to change it out. But as you can see, you're right next to the distributor cap, right next to the AC, and then right underneath all those wires, right where I'm pointing my flashlight. I pulled the little cap off, but it's right there on top of the engine block on the 5.8, at least on the 1992 model. So just hang tight, and we're gonna pop that off real quick. It is, let me pull you. It's 11/16. Sorry, as I get you guys all. Let me zoom in a little bit. I think, yeah, we can see it right there. So, just trying to make sure my camera doesn't fall over, because that would suck. Sorry. There. But as you can see right there, you got the camera all set up. It's 11/16. It should just be pretty straightforward. Of course, you know, famous last words. Well, thought it was 11/16, which, oh, I may need a deep well. That's exactly the problem. Well, I don't have a deep well, so let's see if we can break it loose. And we did. Came off pretty easy. So we'll take our blessings on that one. Oh, still a little tight. So I bet you. There we go. Oh, come on. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I try to be really quick and easy and simple with these. Oof. Motor is definitely warm. I let it cool down. It's been cooled for about 30 minutes. As you can tell right there, it was not cool. Well, we're gonna lose some fluid, but that's okay. We're gonna lose a lot of fluid. Well, so let's take a look real quick. That's the old one. And just for comparison, here's the new one. Well, I was planning on doing an engine flush a little earlier. I guess that kind of helped a little bit. It's the joys of I'm doing this type of things, I guess. Oh, I gotta... A little on the warm side. Well, you guys get to watch me struggle like a dumbass because I don't have a deep socket. Adapt and overcome, eh? I don't know the spec. I'm tightening it down. I can still see a little bit, so we're just going to keep it going a little bit more. All right. Looks like we're good. We'll check it a little later and make sure. But boom, done. So that's one down.